So welcome to the last video of this module. In this video, I will talk about few more features and settings of a page. Only then our page will be ready for advertising purpose. So let us start. Now we have to beautify this page a little bit more. First, let us add a profile image. Just upload the photo. Adjust it little bit by using various options and save it. Our image is saved and it is there. Don't add your personal image here. Try to include the logo of your business if you are designing a page for the business. Same way, you can add the cover image. Next, we have the call to action button. Use this button very carefully. Here you have to add the button in the form of call to action. In simple words, use this button for the purpose that you expect from your people to do on your page once they land on it. To add it, click on Add the button and select the suitable call to action. You can try out various options and you can see the live preview of your call to action buttons as well. Finally, I am selecting Call Now. Add your mobile number and click Finish. See, your call to action is added. If you want, you can test this button as well. You can like your own page, but before that, you have to publish it. Let me make few more modifications in the page before we publish it. You will find so many other settings under these three dots, like Edit Page Info, View Insights, and so on. Let me show you quickly how to edit the page info. From here, you can edit the basic information about the page at any time in the future. But we have already added it from the settings of the page, so you need not to change it. Now our page is almost complete. A post has been created automatically when we updated the profile pic, and see, all posts are attributed to our page name, not to the personal IDs. Finally, we are ready to launch our page, so let us publish it. Go to the settings. From General Settings, go to Page Visibility, check Publish. Save the changes and your page is published now. It is live now. Your fans can reach to this page. If you want to give the unique username to your page, then go to About and create the page at username. Give any username and a username will be created. So congratulations, we have designed our first Facebook page. This Facebook page is just like a mini website. If you can't afford the expenditure of managing your website, then this is a good option because you can represent your business through this page. So in the next module, we will talk about the advertising Facebook campaigns. Just join me there.